Step 1. Installing Shogun on your Shopify store. To enhance the visual appeal and functionality of your Shopify pages, you'll need to install the Shogun app. Here's a simple guide to get you started. Visit the Shopify store. Begin by opening your Shopify admin dashboard. In the left-hand sidebar, click on Apps, and then select Visit the Shopify App Store. Search for Shogun. Once you're in the App Store, use the search bar in the top right corner to look for Shogun. Type it in and press Enter. Select Shogun. Among the search results, you should see the Shogun app. Click on its listing to learn more about its features and benefits. Install Shogun. When you're ready to proceed, click the Add App button. This will initiate the installation process. Wait for installation. Shopify will take care of the installation for you. Depending on your store size and the speed of your internet connection, this may take a few moments. You will receive a confirmation when the installation is complete. With Shogun successfully installed, you are ready to start crafting stunning Shopify pages that will captivate your customers. Let's move on to the exciting part of customizing your pages with Shogun's intuitive tools. Step 2. Accessing Shogun on your Shopify store. Now that you have successfully installed Shogun, the next step is to access the app and begin crafting stunning pages for your Shopify store. Here's how to do it. Access Shogun via your Shopify dashboard. Start by returning to your Shopify dashboard. In the left-hand sidebar, click on Apps. This will display a list of the apps you have installed. Enter your storefront password, if applicable. If your Shopify storefront is password protected, you'll be prompted to enter your store's password before gaining access to Shogun. This security measure ensures that only authorized users can make changes to your store's pages. Click on Shogun. Once you have accessed your apps, locate and click on the Shogun app. This will open the Shogun interface, where you can begin creating, editing, and customizing your Shopify pages with ease. You are now ready to unleash your creativity and design stunning pages that will leave a lasting impression on your customers. Let's move forward and explore how to use Shogun's powerful features to enhance your Shopify pages further. Step 3. Creating a new Shogun page. With Shogun, designing and customizing pages for your Shopify store is a breeze. Follow these steps to create a new page. Access Shogun. Log into your Shopify dashboard and click on the Shogun app to access its interface. Choose your template. Shogun offers a variety of templates to kickstart your page design. You can select from these or use your own custom template if you have one ready. Start a new page. To begin creating your page, click on Add a Page. This will initiate the page creation process. Page type selection. Now, you'll need to choose the type of page you want to create. Options include product pages, collection pages, and blog posts. Select the one that aligns with your content. Template selection. Shogun provides various templates suited for your selected page type. Browse through the options and choose a template that best fits your design vision. Name your page. Give your page a meaningful and descriptive name. This will help you easily identify it within your Shogun dashboard. Header and footer options. Decide whether you want to include your store's theme header and footer on this page. You can disable them if you prefer a more customized look. Create your page. Once you've made all the selections, click Create Standard Page. Shogun will now generate a blank canvas for your new page, and you can start designing it according to your brand style and content requirements. As your new page is created, it's time to dive into Shogun's editing tools and unleash your creativity. You're on your way to crafting stunning Shopify pages that will engage and convert your audience. Step 4. Editing your Shogun page. Now that you've created your Shogun page, it's time to bring it to life by adding and customizing content. Follow these steps to edit your page effectively. Wait for template loading. When you create a new page or select a template, wait for it to load fully in Shogun Editor. Understanding page structure. Shogun organizes your page into sections and columns. Sections define the vertical divisions, and you can adjust their dimensions and background. Each section contains columns that define horizontal divisions, and you can control the number of columns and their width. Adding content elements. Shogun offers a wide range of content elements such as images, videos, headings, buttons, countdowns, and more. To add these elements, simply drag and drop them onto your page canvas. Customizing elements. Each content element can be customized extensively. You can adjust dimensions, padding, borders, colors, and other settings to match your design vision. Working with sections. To structure your page effectively, add sections as needed. Customize section dimensions, background colors, and the content within them. You can also move sections around to arrange your content logically. Working with columns. Within sections, add columns to create horizontal layouts. Control the number of columns and their width to achieve the desired content arrangement. Customize the content within each column to align with your page's goals. Thanks to Shogun's user-friendly interface, you have the power to create and customize your Shopify pages with ease. Take your time to fine-tune the elements, and your stunning Shopify page will soon be ready to impress your audience and drive conversions. As you continue to craft your stunning Shopify page with Shogun, explore these advanced features to further enhance your page's functionality and appeal. Number 1. Advanced Content Elements. Shogun provides an array of advanced content elements like sliders, tables, forms, and more. These elements allow you to create dynamic and interactive sections on your page. Customize them to match your specific needs and design vision. Number 2. Preview and Save. Before finalizing your page, utilize the preview feature. This enables you to see how your page appears in different views, including widescreen, desktop, tablet, and mobile. Always save your progress as you work on your page to avoid losing any changes. Number 3. Adding products. If you want to showcase products on your page, use the Shopify product element. This element allows you to select products from your store's catalog and display them seamlessly on your page. Customize their appearance to ensure they blend harmoniously with your overall design. Number 4. Optimizing product pages. If you're creating product pages, Shogun offers options to import custom layouts. This enables you to design product pages that align perfectly with your brand's style. You can also modify product titles, quantities, and reviews to suit your specific requirements and improve the shopping experience for your customers. Adding interactivity to your Shogun page. To engage your visitors and create more interactive shopping experience, consider the following options. Buttons and videos. Enhance interactivity by adding buttons that direct users to specific actions like Shop Now or Learn More. Embed videos to provide engaging content. Customize the appearance and behavior of these elements to match your page's aesthetics and goals. Custom elements. If you possess coding skills such as knowledge of Liquid, CSS, or JavaScript, you have the freedom to create custom elements. This opens up endless possibilities for your unique and tailored page components. Custom elements can be integrated seamlessly into your Shogun design pages. Utilizing advanced options. Integrations. Shogun offers advanced options for integrating with various platforms, including social media. You can connect your Instagram feed or other third-party apps and services to enhance your page's functionality. Authorize and configure these integrations as needed to streamline your online presence and improve user engagement. By adding interactivity and exploring advanced options in Shogun, you can create a dynamic and user-friendly Shopify page that not only showcases your products effectively, but also fosters meaningful engagement with your audience. These features allow you to elevate your online store to the next level, making it more appealing and functional for your customers. And there you have it. We have explored the art of launching your Shopify pages to the stars with Shogun. Remember, it all starts with a business mind, the kind that dares to dream big and strives to achieve even bigger. So check out the description below for the thing that could help you do just that. And if you're ready to turn dreams to achievements, don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell right here on Business Mind. Stay connected for more insightful content that empowers you to take your business journey to new heights. So go ahead, dream big, work hard, and watch as your efforts translate into success beyond your wildest expectations. This is Business Mind, reminding you that when you dream big, you truly can achieve bigger. Business Mind, signing off.